Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Ford F250 door. First, try your key fob. It's the quickest way to get in. If that doesn't work, use the physical key. Insert it into the driver's side door lock and turn. Always ensure all doors are completely shut before trying other methods. These simple steps often resolve common lockout situations quickly and efficiently. If you're locked out, a slim jim might help by reaching the internal linkage. Alternatively, carefully use a wedge to create a small gap, then a long reach tool to press the unlock button inside. Remember, these methods require care to avoid damage. For guaranteed safety and expertise, calling a professional locksmith is always the best option. To prevent future lockouts, always keep a spare key handy, perhaps with a trusted friend or in a magnetic box. Make it a habit to double-check that all doors are unlocked before you step out. For added convenience and peace of mind, consider installing a keypad entry system on your truck, offering keyless access whenever you need it. In an absolute emergency, if all else fails, breaking a small rear window might be necessary, but this should be a very last resort. Always prioritize contacting your roadside assistance provider first. They are equipped to help safely. Also, remember to stay hydrated on your journeys. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.